Hi guys, it's July 13 today. It's Friday. And late na ako or kami nagising. We're getting ready to go to Ormoc. Kunin ko yung gamit ko sa apartment and iuwi ko lang muna dito. Hindi namin kasama yung kids kasi baka mapagod sila and baka mapuno yung sasakyan. So, iwan lang sila dito with their aunts and their yaya. So, yeah. Go with me sa Ormoc. So, paalis na kami and this is my outfit that I'm debating if itatap in ko siya or hindi. So, wait. So, this is the top. Dito lang siya. Guys, we're here now in Ormoc, in my apartment, in our apartment. Na aalis rin ako. That's how. Goodbye. Si Mama Lady. Ato na sila. Almost done. Kailangan na lang namin i-fix yung wall. Just that one. And other things are not mine. Sa best friend ko. So, punta muna kami ng loob. Kasi bibili kami ng fix dyan. Then mabalik dito. Tapos pumunta kami sa bagong apartment. Change outfit! Kasi basa na. Pagka-ibot. Una lang kayo dyan. Siyangan. Dito na naman kami. It's Slay. Say hi to my vlog! Lunchtime! Lunchtime is at 1:30 p.m. Hi to my vlog! Say hi!